In this video, we're going to be searching this 2011 Ford Crown Victoria police interceptor. I just had her dropped off this morning. She was a former police car from an unknown police department. We're going to fully search her for goodies, equipment. Let's find out what was left behind. What department did she come from? What are we going to do with her? Can we find a biscuit? Let's find out. Let's go. Looks like she has spotlights, some nice clear Unity spotlights on both sides. And it looks like there was some type of light right here, but fortunately it's missing. Oh, and check this out. Look at that. We have some sort of visor lights here. We're gonna investigate that here in just a second. It looks like there's Whelen vertexes on both sides, and we have Cetina push bar brackets. And if you look in here, we have a Whelen siren speaker, and that looks like Whelen ions. Some sort of bracket right there. We're gonna get to that here just a bit. We got some nice Goodyear Eagle RSA police wheels. Check it out. We have some sort of traffic advisor lights. And check this out. Look at this antenna setup. Very strange looking, but look at this. You notice something here? No light bar. No light bar holes. None of that. So this used to be some sort of police patrol slick top. Okay, I'm gonna start my search from the front and work my way to the back. Got my gloves on. All right, let's take a quick look inside. Nice. We got the back seats. Smells like old coffee in here. We got lots of goodies. Oh yeah, this is gonna be a good one. I can tell already. Excuse the really bad weather. Literally just yesterday, it was snowing here in Sacramento. And then it was raining and storming all night. We have some sort of whistle here. What the hell? Hey, if anybody knows a Benjamin from Long Beach, let him know I have his ID. He can have it back. Oh. What the? Seriously? I'm not even joking about that. Sweet. This, yeah. A police baton. This looks like a 15 inches, maybe? So it's like, oh! Oopsie. I'll deal with this later. But yeah, it's got the Bianchi case for it. These guys are smart. Look at, they bolted this thing down. Did you know that floor mats can be very dangerous? I mean, because they end up getting stuck on the gas pedal, or they can stop you from braking. Look at this. We have some bullets. These are hollow point. Looks like 9mm Luger. Yep. Police interceptor batch. Handcuff key. Turn on the flashlight to look in here. Ooh, what's in here? Okay, it looks like we have a Havis center console, or Havis, whatever, however you want to pronounce it. This looks like some sort of computer went right here. And we have a Whelen control box here. Let's see. Nope, nothing. Yeah, look at that. It's all cut back there. So, of course, it's not going to work. Gun lock button here. It's kind of dumb, I think, to advertise that this is the gun lock. If a criminal got in here, he could push it and unlock the gun. That's odd. There's a little hole for the microphone. And we have a Whelen traffic advisor. Oh, no activity there. That's got to be for the Whelen traffic advisor back there, of course. And we have cup call. So this goes here and you put your phone right there. Looks like they removed some equipment from here. All right, let's start this baby girl up. Oh, what? There we go. Oh, it went away. It was like 158 miles or something. All right, let's look under the hood. Oh, typical 4.6 liter V8. Clean, dirty, but clean. The odometer came out. Oh, it went away. So you saw that 158. Looks like somebody chewed this thing up. Oh, it looks like we have the ABS light on. Since we're here, we might as well take these off. Look at that. Okay, siren speaker is coming off first. All right, so the red ion is coming out. I can tell it's red by the red wire back there. But I like this bracket. It goes from this to the siren speaker. For the other side, here it is. The Whelen ions and the Whelen siren speaker. We're gonna make some cuts here and test these out. All right, it works. Super bright blue. All right, here's the other one, the red. And here's both of them together. Since I got all the tools out, I might as well take out these vertexes. All right. Here they are. Let's put these to the test. All right, this is the front corner strobe. Now that is super sick. And here's the other one. Whoa, it literally got dark on me out of nowhere. It's actually kind of scary. It's only like 5. So I'm gonna go ahead and just get out of here and continue this tomorrow. All right, what do we have here? Multi-function switch. Okay, I think this is like that fingerprint powder. Pretty sure that's what that is. Identicator. Latent print tape, yep. Fingerprint collecting tape here. Okay, let's demonstrate the fingerprint kit. I'm gonna leave my fingerprint right here. Okay, gonna get some of that powder. I think somewhere somebody told me this is actually volcanic ash, which is pretty interesting. All right, I'm just gonna pull a piece out of this thing. Pull this little piece off. It's just like that, it's right there. That was actually kind of easy and fun. There goes the other one. Identicator cleaning wipes. What's this? Pocket print, right thumb, middle finger, and then you put all your information right here, including the social security number. Damn. The hell? Nice. Yellow handcuffs. Peerless handcuff, but why are they yellow? I guess the colors depend on the threat level. You know, the guy who's not much of a threat gets these, and the guy who's a super threat would get red. I mean, that sounds like a good idea, right? Or it's really, it's really just so that cops will stop losing their handcuffs. So these are way easier to see. Would you look at that? A cop's paycheck for $900. I'm guessing that's $900 a week. Can you survive with $900 a week? This would be the fuses for the inner edge. Let's check it out. Let's check the other side to get a better look. Inner edge DX3. These are super sick. These ones look better than the ones in the movie car. So yeah, this is the movie car Whelen inner edge. Ooh, I kind of really like this right here. And some type of, concealed carry thing. All right, so this goes under your shirt and this Velcro. And then there's a little spot right here where you put your gun. So makes it look slimmer too. All right, we have a American flag patch, some dog hair on there. Oh, something's in here. Well, looks like a taser cartridge. Looks like it expires. Might as well put it to use. We're gonna have to tase him.
You're right. Yeah. Fucking tase his ass. Tase his ass. Get back. Get back.
All right, the center console is coming out. Check it out. Very nice, very clean. I like it. All right, let's take a look in the back. You know, I've been seeing a lot of these U.S. Customs and Border Protection tapes here. Oh, look at this. And I noticed the back panels are missing. So there's no ballistic panels here. All right, so this back piece is coming off All right, guys, we have a Whelen Tier 3 Super LED 248 8-head. Ooh, yikes. I will not be able to light this up. I would need to get the special connector that goes into the control box. Very nice. The visor lights are coming off. Looks like all we need is to undo those right there. Just like that. On both sides. Check it out, I got it off. Ooh, look at this. Whelen Inner Edge Model IX3. Super sick. Let me just freaking cut this off real quick. I'm gonna cut it off nicely and then we'll go test it out. Okay, look at this. The movie car one does not have this right here. I don't know what that is. All right, so I got the positive and negative going, and look at that. That's steady burn red. Let's see what this blue wire does. Oh yeah. Oh, it's official. That is dope. Since we're over here, check this out. It's got the steel skid plate. All right, let's check the trunk. Please be a biscuit. It ain't talking about bread. Let's start from up here. Very nice. See, look, the missing pieces are all here. Oh, yes. Yeah. This is that gun rack piece that we were talking about earlier. This goes on this piece, and then that whole piece goes right here. As a matter of fact, you can kind of see the outline of it right here. It goes right here, and you can put your gun right there. Ooh. Oh, I thought that was something. Plug this. Whelen LED ballast. This is a traffic advisor lamp driver by Whelen. And this looks brand new. This looks like a brand new alternator pulley. Some sort of gun piece. Look at what we have here. The missing pieces for the back. Dude, this is brand new. We are in the money. Bullets. Ooh. What the heck is this? Oh shit. 9mm 50 round. What? Well, I'll be darned. This is a 50 round drum. Dude, this is super illegal. Is this supposed to rattle like that? Let me see if I can get some of those bullets in here. Let's see. All right, this thing is sick. It can hold literally 50 rounds in here. I don't have 50 rounds, but I'm gonna go ahead and collect all those bullets I saw and put as many as I can in here and go test this thing out. Well, first I'm gonna call my buddy who's got a 9mm, see if he wants to test this thing out with me. Okay, yeah, so you just push this thing right here and you feed it in there. You keep feeding it and feeding it. No, it winds up 50 rounds in there. This thing looks crazy. I can't wait to attach it to a gun. Okay, so I borrowed this Glock 17 9mm. I'm gonna go ahead and attach this thing to it. Like that. There it goes. Give me all your money, punk. Okay, so I'm driving this and I can hear a little grinding noise coming from the back. And I believe that's probably why the ABS is on. See if you can hear it. So yeah, this is gonna need a rear end swap, which I'm gonna do. You'll probably see it on the next video. Hey you guys, check it out. This is Roger. He is one mean rooster. This guy wakes up and chooses violence every day. All right, let me get out of here before he ends up hurting me. Okay, I got my safety gear on. We're gonna be shooting this barrel right here. Gonna walk over here where it's safe. This is the District 76 shooting range. This looks and just feels crazy. Here we go. And we're out because that's all I have. There goes a bullet hole. 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 And of course it went through. Very nice. It works. Okay guys, so I'm trying to take it off, but oh, it was stuck. It's not stuck anymore. I don't know what that is, and I don't know if it's supposed to do that or not, but I'm just gonna tuck the guts back in. Whatever, this stuff is gonna get destroyed or turned in anyways. You guys remember the San Diego SUV Well, look at her now. The stupid door fell right here because of the wind, you know, this stupid crazy weather. And some moisture got in the back, so it's a little dull. So I'm gonna go ahead and sand it, water sand this, and put some clear coat back on there. But yeah, came out pretty good. You'll see more of it next video in action.